Okay, everyone. Today we're going to talk about class inheritance in Python. This is a um, concept that applies to creating classes. Not all classes inherit from each other, but it is possible to create classes which inherit properties, methods, and attributes from parent classes. So today we're going to just do a very simple example where we're going to go ahead and do a person class. And we're going to give this person, here's our initialization method, and we're going to give this person a height and let's see, age. These are instance. It's going to be instance attributes. So here we set self height to height, which will pass in on a new instance, and self age to age. And let's go ahead and make a method called, let's do name too. Let's do name instead of height. No one really cares about height. Self.name, self.name equals name. All right, name and age. So now let's go ahead and create a method on the instance. So we're gonna do let's do greet. So we pass in self, just like we covered yesterday. Self just means that this instance method has access to the self object, which we define up here. And the greet method is just going to print hi, my name is self.name and I am self.age years old. Cool. So we already know how this stuff works from yesterday. What we're also going to do is we're going to discuss inheritance by creating a class which inherits from the person class. So let's go ahead and make a class of person. Let's say this person is a mailman. Mailmen are people. They're types of people. And we pass in the person class to the mailman as basically an argument here. So this allows the mailman class to inherit everything that's defined on the person class. So now we're going to go ahead and let's go ahead and we'll just do pass. So pass is a keyword which says basically it keeps us from having to print any errors, anything like that. So now let's go ahead and define a new mailman, or instantiate a new mailman. Let's just call him Bobby. That's the name of the mailman. And this is going to be mailman. And as we know, we need to pass in name and age because that's required. So what would happen if I just ran this now? Let's see if it even lets us. Nope. So because mailman is inherited from person class, and person class on a new instance requires a name and age, it also means that mailman can't be instantiated without a name and age pass. So let's go ahead and say the mailman's name is Bobby. and the age is 35. Now, we should be able to do Bobby.greet, even though we didn't define the greet method on the mailman class, we only defined it on its parent, the person class. We should be able to do this. Hi, my name is Bobby and I'm 35 years old. So even though Bobby is an instance of the mailman class, the mailman class inherits from the person class its public methods and its public attributes. So this can actually get quite a bit more complicated, where you can have some things inherit and some not. You can have some things be defined on the parent, but some other things that are defined on the parent, not defined on the child class. Or you can even inherit from multiple different parent classes. So we're going to talk more about that tomorrow. But for now, these are the basics of inheritance.